Nanubabo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their services to our Where in Pampanga community. Ngayong video na to, gusto nating bigyan ng solusyon. Isa sa mga problema natin dito sa Pampanga, yon ay ang transportation, going from point A to B. Minsan, nalilate na tayo sa ating trabaho, sa ating flight sa airport. Gusto nating makauwi pero walang available na transportation coming from the terminal, from your work and to your house. Or gusto mo namang pumunta sa isang destination coming from your house and wala kang magamit na sasakyan na private. What you need, guys, is a blue taxi. Let me introduce yung app po nila. This is Blue Taxi PH. If you notice, guys, lalong-lalo na sa mga taga Angeles, Mabalacat, to sa San Fernando, we always see them sa daan, no? Nakapark yan, naghihintay, or transporting people from places to places. Yun po yung mga blue taxi natin dito sa Pampanga. And good thing, if you want to book their services, so meron po tayong app. This is an additional convenience para sa atin na gustong gamitin yung kanilang services. So first off is to download the app. Available po sila sa iOS and Android. So I've downloaded mine. So usual lang po yung unang registration natin. You need your phone number. Once ma-register yung phone number mo, it will send OTP or code para ma-confirm yung phone number mo na yun talaga ang gamit mo sa mobile mo. So this is how it looks like. Yan. Plain and simple, guys, yung app natin, makikita natin dun sa upper portion ng screen natin, meron tayong fare estimate, which is the total estimated amount for the fare, the entire fare. And then meron tayong trip distance. It calculates your origin to the destination, kung ilang kilometers yan. And then yung booking fee natin, I believe it's just 20 pesos, no? So let's check it out. For example, gusto mong pa-pick up dun sa current destination mo, what you need to do is just tap on arrow icon. And then, yun. So right now, I'm at Park Place, Pueblo de Oro. So tama po yung kanyang location dito. That is the first step in determining your trip. Tap mo lang yung origin mo. And then select the destination. Say for example, gusto kong pumunta sa Park International Airport. There. So, piliin lang natin yon. International Airport. You can save the address. You can continue without saving. Or again, you can cancel kapag nagkamali ka ng napili. But for me, I wanna continue without saving. Makikita natin dun sa upper portion niya, meron tayong booking fee na 20 pesos. Trip distance natin is roughly 34 kilometers. And then yung fare estimate natin is around 633 pesos only. I mean, considering na wala ka nang iisipin na hassle, may magdadrive sa'yo, you don't need to, gas your car, sort of like that. That's very fair and reasonable. Kumbaga, most of the time kapag pupunta ka ng airport, you're gonna park and leave your car somewhere near the airport. But this time, ride and fly. Parang ganun lang. Right after that, what you need to do is book now. And you can add notes to the driver, whatever you wanna add. Why would you want to use Blue Taxi application? It's fast. It's very convenient. Whenever you confirm the booking, the nearest taxi available is gonna attend to you, no? So that is called an on-demand booking and real-time tracking. You have your own ride history. All our drivers are professional, so you can always think of safety and comfort. Some frequently asked questions about bluetaxi.ph. So how much is the charge for the booking fee? Again, it's just 20 pesos. Now, yung metered fare natin for the taxi is just 40 pesos for the flag down rate. 13.50 pesos naman per kilometer travel naman. Meron tayong just 2 pesos for the per minute running time natin. Siyempre, naka-aircon ka dyan, you're very comfortable. Yung 2 pesos na yon is napaka insignificant na. That's how you solve your problem, guys. If you are in a hurry, if you're in need for a transportation that will drive you from point A to point B anywhere here dito po sa Pampanga, you gotta check out and download bluetaxi.ph. So thank you so much for watching Where in Pampanga. I hope this video helps you. Until our next video, guys, stay safe. Bye!